Hey guys, so today I'll be showing you how I do my full coverage but basic and simple makeup look. First, I like to take my Black Radiance True Complexion HD Primer in the shade 8927 Natural Nude. I love Black Radiance products because they are 100% oil free, which is great for my oily skin, and I just spread that all over my face like a moisturizer. Then I take my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade 990. It's the orange concealer. This is great for covering my dark spots. And like you see here, I have a pimple scar that I also use to correct. It does come with a brush on the tip, but I do like to blend it in with my fingers too. Then I take my beaten up beauty blender and my absolute favorite foundation right now, which is Rimmel London Stay Matte Liquid Mousse Foundation in the shade 504 Deep Mocha. First I spread it all over my face and then I just kind of pounce it in until it blends perfectly. I also like to blend it down into my neck because I have a little hyperpigmentation around my neck, so I just kind of take the excess and blend it in. Next up, I use my also Black Radiance concealer stick in the shade 8001. I draw upside down triangles under my eyes. I also draw down my nose, on my chin, and a little on my forehead. I take my e.l.f. brush and I blend it in as well as I can. I really love the foundation and this concealer because they both blend perfectly together and they just kind of melt onto my face. I go back and do my nose again with that same concealer, and then I take my darker contour stick, also by Black Radiance, in the shade 8003, and I start to contour my nose and my cheeks and my forehead. I know I don't contour my nose perfectly, but it doesn't have to be perfect. I draw usually horizontal lines and then I'll blend either in circular motions or I'll blend in vertical motions. It's really easy to pinpoint the definition areas of your cheeks when you pull your mouth to one side or the other. Right there I have a little bit of a scar from a stubborn pimple, I will say. This is my absolute favorite. It is my Maybelline New York Master Fix Setting Powder. It mattifies my skin so well. I love it so much. It makes my face look flawless. So the first round I usually do just kind of pounce the powder into my skin and just to like soak up all the oil and the excess oil that I know I'll have later, and then I do another layer around my cheek area and my nose because that's where I get the most oily usually. So yeah, I speed through my eyeliner and my mascara because it gives me anxiety watching it, so I won't put you through that either. So let's see what the mascara did. Nothing. So I'm gonna go ahead and take that same brush that I used to contour to wipe off the excess powder. Then I'm gonna take this matte eyeshadow palette that I found at my local beauty store. You can find so many amazing products at beauty supply stores. This one was $2.99 for 8 shades. They're all matte shades, and I used the kind of taupey brown just to kind of deepen my crease. I'm gonna touch up my eyebrows. Usually I do my eyebrows last, but for the sake of the video, I went ahead and did them first. These are my all-time favorite lashes. I get them for, believe it or not, 50 cents a piece on AliExpress. If you shop on AliExpress as well, it is called MEI May, and it is the number 8A16. I usually use tweezers for the first part of my eyelashes, and then I pin the rest down with my fingers. That's just what's easiest for me to do. But these lashes really are amazing. They're not too full, but they're not full enough. They really just add that depth and drama to your makeup look. So at first I take my finger and I blend in the little bit of foundation that I got on my lips, and then I moisturize with a teensy bit of Carmex because that was right next to me. And then I take my favorite brown matte lipstick. I believe I also got that lipstick at my beauty supply store. I use it to line my lips and to fill. So I'm gonna take my Color Mates blush in the color Mauve Illuze, and I will use that on the very, very tips of my cheeks. My hair has basically been a mess for this whole video, so I apologize for just now brushing it. But this is the completed look. I just recently got into bronzer and highlighting, so I haven't used that for this video just because I'm not as good at it yet. So I just decided not to include that portion during this video, but it's definitely optional. So this is the completed look. Thank you guys for watching. I will link all the products below in the description box. Like and subscribe.